You need to watch this if you struggle with finding the perfect gaming laptop. We've got the top 5 picks that'll blow your mind. First up, the Alienware M18. It's got a massive 18-inch screen and an RTX 4090 GPU. Pure power. Next, we've got the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Compact but mighty with a Ryzen 9 CPU and Radeon RX 7800S graphics. Perfect for gamers on the go. Third on the list, the Razer Blade 16. Sleek and stylish with a 16-inch QHD display and GeForce RTX 4080. It's a beauty and a beast. Coming in fourth, the MSI GE76 Raider. It's got a 17.3-inch screen and an Intel Core i9 processor. Smooth gaming at its finest. And last but not least, the Acer Predator Helios 300. Affordable yet powerful with an RTX 4060 and 12th Gen Intel Core i7. Bang for your buck, so there you have it. The top 5 gaming laptops of 2024. Game on and may your FPS be high and your lag be low.